हेलो फ्रेंड्स, सुग्यान स्टडी पॉइंट यूट्यूब चैनल को आपण मानकु स्वागत। आज आम खारवेल अचीवमेंट्स एज मेंशन इन हाथीगुंफा इनस्क्रिप्शन यही टॉपिक रु आम मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट केतक एमसीक्यू आम डिस्कस करवा। यही टॉपिक टी आपनकर एलटीआर, ओस्टेट एवं ओटीटी यहीपरी एग्जाम रे बहुत गुड़े क्वेश्चन आसी थाए एवं अन्य एग्जाम पाई मध्य यही टॉपिक टी मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट। तेणु आपण माने यही टॉपिक को भल भाव में यार एमसीक्यू प्रैक्टिस करनियंतु। तो फ्रेंड्स, आज प्रथम प्रश्न रही हु वाज खारवेल। करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर सी, ए रूलर ऑफ द महामेघ वाहन डायनेस्टी। परवर्ती प्रश्न, वेयर इज द हाथीगुंफा इंस्क्रिप्शन लोकेटेड। करेक्ट आंसर ऑप्शन नंबर ए, उदयगिरी एंड खंडगिरी केव। Next question, which dynasty did Kharavela belong to? Correct answer option number C, Mahaveghavahana. Next question, which ancient kingdom did Kharavela rule? Which region did Kharavela conquer in his first year of reign? Correct answer option number A, Satovahana territories. Title did Kharavela assume to celebrate his military successes? Correct answer is option number C, Kalingadhipati. Which kingdom did Kharavela defeat in his 12th year of reign? Correct answer is option number A, Satovahana. Who was the ruler of Magadha when Kharavela invaded? Correct answer option number A, Pushyamitra Shunga. What major irrigation project is credited to Kharavela? Correct answer is option number B, canal system in Kalinga. What significant construction did Kharavela undertake in Khandagiri and Udayagiri? Correct answer is option number B, cave and monasteries. What kind of ruler was Kharavela known to be? Correct answer is option number B, benevolent and just. Which religion did Kharavela predominantly support? Correct answer option number B, Jainism. Which inscriptions provide details of Kharavela's region? Correct answer is option number A, Hathigumpha Silalekha. Which deitist temple did Kharavela restore? Correct answer option number D, Genus. Which direction did Kharavela's armies march to expand his empire? Correct answer option number B, south. What kind of impacts did Kharavela military campaigns have on neighboring kingdoms? Correct answer option number C, they were weakened. Which dynasty did Kharavela claim victories over during his reign? Correct answer option number D, Satovahana dynasty. Which inscription records Kharavela achievements in details? Correct answer option number A, Hathigumpha inscription. What significant project did Kharavela initiate for the benefits of his people? Correct answer option number B, irrigation and water management system. How did Kharavela contribute to the prosperity of Kalinga? Correct answer is option number D, all of the above. Which natural resource did Kharavela exploit for economic growth? Correct answer option number C, gems and precious stones. What kind of infrastructure did Kharavela develop for public welfare? Correct answer option number D, all of the above. Which cultural activities did Kharavela promote? Correct answer option number D, all of the above. How did Kharavela support religion diversity? Correct answer option number D. All of the above. What architectural contribution is Kharavela known for? Correct answer option number A. Rock cut cave. Which cave complex is attributed to Kharavela's region? Correct answer option number B. Udagiri and Khandagiri cave. What was the administrative policy of Kharavela towards neighboring states? Correct answer is option number B. Diplomacy and alliances. Which document provides a detailed account of Kharavela's administration? Correct answer option number A. Hathigumpha inscription. Which enemy ruler did Kharavela defeat in the south? Correct answer option number A. Satakarni. Did Kharavela strengthen his military? Correct answer option number D. All of the above. Which strategy did Kharavela use to win battle? Correct answer option number A. Surprise attack. What is Kharavela's lasting legacy in Indian history? Correct answer option number D. All of the above. Which famous inscription mentions Kharavela conquest and achievement? Correct answer option number A. Hathigumpha inscription. Which river is mentioned in his Hathigumpha inscription related to Hathigumpha's campaign? Correct answer option number C. Mahanadi. How did Kharavela contribute to the cultural development of Kalinga? Correct answer option number D. All of the above. Which dance form did Kharavela promote in his kingdom? Correct answer option number B. Odissi. What economic policy did Kharavela implement to boost trade? Correct answer option number D. All of the above. Which port did Kharavela develop to enhance maritime trade? Correct answer option number A. Tamralipta. Which agricultural practice did Kharavela encourage? Correct answer option number D. All of the above. Which neighboring state did Kharavela establish diplomatic ties with? Correct answer option number B. Satavahanu. What was the impact of Kharavela's diplomatic policy? Correct answer option number A. All of the above. What social reforms is Kharavela credited with? Correct answer option number D. All of the above. How did Kharavela support education? Correct answer option number D. All of the above. Which religious festival did Kharavela promote? Correct answer option number A. Mahavir Jayanti. Which religious relic did Kharavela recover and enshrine? Correct answer option number B. Jain image. What kind of legal system did Kharavela establish? Correct answer option number based on dharma and justice. What kind of laws did Kharavela enforce? Correct answer option number D. All of the above. What literary work is attributed to Kharavela's court? Correct answer option number D. Jain's Agamas. Which art form flourished under Kharavela's patronage? Correct answer option number D. All of the above. How is Kharavela remembered in history? Correct answer option number D. All of the above.